A new leaked, not off the press Galaxy Z Flip 5 dummy unit shows a gap despite its new highly touted, all-new designed hinge. Perhaps less of a crease is all we can expect from this year's new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. What you need to know from today's latest leak is that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 leaked dummy unit show quite a distinct gap despite Samsung's newly developed hinge. Now, the newly leaked units show off a new color, black, and give us an all-around view of the clamshell device ahead of launch. Don't go anywhere. We got these new photos to show you. Sit back down and put your device down. I can promise you, you're going to want to see this, y'all. You ready? Let's go. Ahead of Samsung's big reveal, prototype units for its clamshell foldable have leaked and show an issue we hoped was gone. Images and a video of the Galaxy Z Flip 5's dummy units were posted and give us a good look at the device in white and black. We are attributed to some decent looks at the phone from all angles before the video shows what it looks like when folded. The leaked dummy units are still showing a very prominent gap in the Z Flip 5's display. Aside from that, the units show off the phone's power button and volume rocker on the right side and the SIM card tray on the left side. The bottom of the device is kept pretty standard as the USB-C port and speakers are together down there. The dummy units don't show anything wildly different from what we've seen prior, aside from the newly redesigned tab-like cover display. Near the end of 2022, it was rumored that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 would be built with a new hinge designed to reduce the visibility of the phone's crease. This new hinge was also likely to bring in a slimmer phone as a result. Unfortunately, the video does show a very distinct gap when the Flip 5 is folded despite the existence of this new hinge mechanism. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 was also rumored to feature a new WaterDrop Hinge for a thinner design. When it comes to color, seeing the Flip 5 in black is new. It was previously rumored the clamshell device would see blue, green, platinum yellow, light pink, light green, gray, and beige. As we rapidly approach Samsung's Unpacked event, rumored specs regarding the Galaxy Z 5 include its 3.4-inch cover and its 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. The dummy units, much like past leaks, have shown the continuation of a dual camera array which is speculated to contain a 12-megapixel primary and ultra-wide lens pairing. Samsung is preparing for its Unpacked event on July 26, where we see the Galaxy Z Flip 5 in full for a global launch. Its book folding partner, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, will also be in attendance during the event in Seoul, South Korea. Samsung states users can catch the action on its official YouTube channel at 7 a.m. After seeing this news leak, it is sort of a bummer. We are excited to see an almost full display on the outside shell of the clamshell display, but are disappointed that the device appears to not fold flat when closed. We were all waiting for the last few generations of this specific device to get the fold flat feature, and it looks like we will have to wait another year yet again. Come on, Samsung, get it together. Now, we are wondering if the Z Fold 5 will have a completely folding flat display. I'm sure we will get more leaks of the Fold 5 as the next few days. Go to Unfold, subscribe to our channel, and get all the late breaking news and reviews in the tech world. Wow, one of the first in the world to carry this news, and I can assure you we will bring you all the latest news when it comes to the Z Fold 5. Just remember where you heard the news from first. eSIM Studios, we bring the heat. Peace out, y'all. Until next time.